mashed broad beans. Chop one medium onion into chunks and roughly chop the carrot into chunks of about the same size. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan. Add the onions and sauté on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender. When the onions are sautéed, add the carrots. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes more, then add the washed and drained dried beans. Add the water to the pan. Then add the lemon juice, sugar and salt and place the lid on the pan. Cook the beans for about 35 to 40 minutes until the consistency is easy to blend. Then transfer all the ingredients to a blender and mix into a puree. Grease a dish with sunflower oil and fill with the pureed bean mixture. Tidy up the surface of the mixture with a spatula, then leave to rest and cool in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Cut into segments and serve. Bon appétit!